Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here. The flat tire update. Several of you said to dunk it in water, and honestly I had been thinking about doing that, but when y'all said to do that, I did it, and you see, I found the leak. Or at least I found the vicinity of the leak. Now I just gotta pinpoint it and see if I can plug it. Okay, so it should be right in there. And there you go, you can see it. So that's the spot I gotta plug. So it's just like when plugging a golf tire or wheelbarrow tire or anything, you gotta clean the hole out first. I'll give you this reaming tool to clean it. That'll also help get all the air out of the tire. Now the instructions don't say to do this, but I certainly think it's a good idea to clean it with lacquer thinner or rubbing alcohol or something, just because you may have tire shine or other things that get in the way here to prevent it from adhering. So these are the plugs and the plugging tool, and you may not realize it, but there's a little split at the end of the tool, and that's what leaves the plug in the tire when you pull it straight out. So just peel off your plug. I'm going to feed it in approximately halfway through. It's not an exact science, but you want to get it pretty close to halfway. There, and then put some rubber cement on the plug. That'll help make it last longer. You know, the plug itself is sticky. And just push it in. And then wait a little bit and then just pull it straight out. And then that rubber cement will dry and seal. And you can cut these off with a razor blade, or you can leave it and let driving rip it off of there. I usually cut it just because I think it leaves it potentially vulnerable to damage if you are driving with this flopping around. It seems to me like that would give it more chance of failing at the rubber cement area. Alright, I'd like to cut the tip off of there. And that noise you hear is the hose. That's not air leaking out. Actually watering my foundation. I live in Central Texas. It's been triple digits, including we had a record high one day, and we've had literally no rain, and the ground is so dry it's starting to crack and everything. It's causing my foundation to shift around, and I'm starting to get little cracks on the sheetrock and stuff, so I'm trying to keep the foundation wet and hopefully avoid any major problems with the house. So that's why you hear the water running. The tire's filled up. I'll cut that off just as a precaution. I'll go ahead and put some soapy water on there and make sure that it's not leaking air. So if my plug was successful, there won't be bubbles this time. I do not see any. So that's a good sign. I'm going to go ahead and 303 the whole tire, including the tread, and put her back on the car, and it should be good to go. And the tire's back on, and if all works well, the low tire light should go off. And low tire light is now off. I don't know how long it takes for it to figure out that you've fixed your tire, but for at least an hour afterward it was still showing low tire, but now it's gone. So I hope this video was helpful. Appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.